Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you can see, I've ordered a new hydraulic lift for my shop. I've bought a mobile one. I don't know if you are familiar with this one. You can drag it around in your shop. I don't have too much place for this one. That's the reason I bought a mobile one. I saw that in order to mount this, you need to be like 3-4 people. I'm here with my father. I hope I can put it together with him. This one can lift up to 2500 kilos and the height is like 1.80 m and I have 173. Let's see if I can manage to assemble this one with my father. And we finally managed to assemble this lift. The hardest part was this one. You need to bring this in vertical position and you need at least 3 people. I was just me and my father. It was a moment when I thought that I will shit my pants, but finally we managed to put this together. Now I'll make a test. I will lift a small car, a Kia Picanto. You saw this car in my videos on my other channel. I have like 173 centimeters and I can fit perfectly under this. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my videos and see you next time with another video. Thank you and have a nice day.